Okay, so it's Friday, February 20, and Kevin and I have been working on this very good-looking Triumph Custom, trying to get it started. And the client was worried that the timing gears were not set correctly. We don't know why. We don't know if the client had been in the timing case and set them himself, or if he just suspected that. Anyway, we just sent, I got here about 11 o'clock, it's 2 now, and we went through cleaning and setting the pilot jets, setting the clearances on the throttle, getting good throttle, actually not good snap, but we have good throttle, and setting the static timing on the Boyer, and doing all the stuff that's necessary to make you feel like everything external to the engine is in a point where it should, that's a capital should, capital S-H-O-U-L-D, should at least try to start. The timing is close. We set it very carefully. It should start. Well, all it does is backfire. So at this point in time, we are willing to take the timing case cover off and eyeball the timing gears. Now, frankly, we're not going to eyeball them. We're going to set them because I think it's 90 some odd turns before they line up. I don't remember how many, but it's a lot that you turn the motor over and everything lines up. So what we're just going to do is open the timing cover and set the gears. And I don't know, it's like I say, 2 o'clock. I don't know how much more we're going to do on this because I have to go prepare for an RV trip this weekend, and Kevin is exhausted. So I'm not sure what we're going to do more than this, and Kevin and I are both tied up this weekend, which means we probably won't get back to this bike Monday or Tuesday, and even that is after I work on the greeny meanie in my shop and get the transmission cover installed. So I came up to help him with this. He's going to come down to help me with that. And that's the way we work.
That's right.
So this bike right now, from all external looks, should run.
Yep.
It really should, but all we got was a backfire with flame out of the carburetor. So once we set the timing gears correctly, we will try it again. At that point, if we get a no-go, it's time to install those concentric carbs.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that would be a last-minute desperation. Okay, so I'm going to post this evening so you know what we're doing. And we'll probably pull this cover off, and if we do, then I'll take another short video at the end.
2 marks.
We were going to get the book.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are inside the timing case. Interestingly, there's not a lot of oil in there, is there?
There wasn't a lot of oil in here, no.
That's weird.
Yep.
I would expect more oil to be in that case.
There's a dot there.
So we're going to double check the book because there actually are 2 settings. One for, I think 20 T100s and I think one for T120s. I'm not sure, but I remember when the book says which marks are which. And we're going to get in here and we're not going to, it takes, we looked it up. It takes 94 revolutions to line up all the dots. And we're not going to do that.
Yeah.
We're not going to be doing that. So we're just going to yank the center gear out, line up the outer ones, and put the center gear in with everything lined up appropriately. But first we're going to go check the manual and see which of the 2 timing marks. I think it's on this. All right, it's about 2:30. We're still here working. We've taken the lid off. I think we had that off when we did the last video. We got the manual out, found out about all the markings. We found the one on the pinion, which actually we have to take the nut off to find it. So we've got that marked with white paint. We have the mark up here with white paint. We have the mark over here with white paint. We're using the second long line, which is a little sloppy, but it's the second line. Okay? And then we've marked this guy accordingly. Oh, this is the second line. Yep, it goes on that line up there. Okay, what we did is use, Kevin operated the exhaust cam. I operated the intake cam with with sockets on not even
On these
sock-
nuts,
on the,
yeah.
on the nuts, with I'll call them breaker bars, okay? And so we rotated. He rotated that one. I rotated this one, and then at the very end, I nudged this bottom one about a bazillionth of an inch to get it to drop in. Now what I have here is the long line is at the dot. Over here, the dot is at the dot, or the line, whatever it's supposed to be. And down here we have two lines bracketing the dot in the crankshaft pinion gear. So I can't hold this thing still, I'm so tired. Yep, I'm good with this.
Yep.
I think we have set the timing, the gear timing properly. We're gonna, well, first of all, I'm gonna collapse from fatigue.
Yeah, all we're gonna do is put this part back together and call it good, because I've got to clean all the surfaces and
Okay.
the gasket and all
Do
that.
you have the tool for putting this seal on here?
The one that screws in there,
taper
that-
tool?
yeah, yeah.
Good. You got that? Do you have a new gasket?
Yeah.
You're gonna put the whole thing together?
No, I'm putting for the day. All I'm
We're
saying
done.
is
Okay.
is we tighten this
Yep.
and we put the oil pump back on.
Yes.
And we're done.
And I think we're gonna put that off until next Monday.
What's
Or you
that?
might do it over the weekend, I don't know.
What's that?
Put all that stuff together.
Oh, well, it won't
'Cause-
take 2 minutes right now.
Now, I'm
Oh,
tired.
I know.
It's
we're gonna
3
do is put
o'clock,
this back there.
and I'm
It's-
really
You
tired.
know, we have 1 tight and 3. Yeah.
Oh, the man's a slave driver.
What can I tell you?
All right, so you got
This goes-
gaskets?
No, I'm not putting that on there. All I'm talking about is putting the oil pump on and tightening that nut.
Okay,
That's
what
all.
about the oil pump gasket? Are you comfortable with the condition?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Put a little red stuff on the face of the pump before you put it on?
Mm-hmm. We can do that.
You're good with that?
Yep.
All right. Actually, with all the oil on here, it doesn't really matter anymore.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back in a few minutes.